Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you another update. This is the 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible. In the previous video we shared with you when the car was up on the hoist and we had everything finished underneath and we had all the detail work done with the new brake lines, fuel lines, all the new mounts, the body mounts between the body and the frame. So all the components done underneath. The steering is now corrected, the new drag link, so it's ready for an alignment. We've got the 4 new tires on it, and now that we have it down on the ground, you can see how nice we've done here inside the floor area. So basically, there was numerous patches that we had to replace or cut out and put new pieces in. So now we don't have any holes anywhere, so no fumes are going to come in, and we have the structural support and strength that we need now. So there's numerous patches that we had to do, and then the black shiny stuff that you see, this is a rust inhibitor paint, and it's a brushed on paint, believe it or not, and it's there's 2 products out there. There's one that's called POR 15, which is an American product. There's a Canadian product which is called DOM 16, and that's what we have on it. We have 2 nice coats of this rust inhibitor paint. So rather than just doing the separate patches, there was numerous patches that we did and replaced with new metal. We wanted to protect the whole floor, because I don't think anyone's going to have to ever take the interior back out of the car like we did, and I don't think the interior's ever been out of it before. So once this is perfectly dry, our next step, we're going to install the carpet. We're going to put the interior all back together, and then we'll share with you what it looks like after we have it all together. So now all the structural points are done, all the metal work is done, and now all of the metal is protected, so we're not hiding anything, and then we'll be ready to put our carpeting down. So I thank you for watching. This is the 66 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible, and I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.